Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? Oh my goodness, I have so many things to share with you today. My mind is like going, pshoo. Let me tell you, because chances are you've already seen our fun, crazy sweater stamp set. Well, let's look at some of the extras. So here is extras for sweater. We have some different items to add to the cute little sweater, some more fun borders or collars to wear for the sweater, a hat, different decorations for the hat, a fun, awesome snowflake, by the way, and ho ho tacky, ugly sweater party. Let's eat, drink, and be tacky. Oh dear. Get it? Because of the deer. Okay, yes, of course, you know the deal. You know the deal. There is a die set that matches. Now, really quick though, before you even start watching the rest of this video, go get the bundle if you're a club member ASAP, because you are saving even more with the bundle, okay? Stop this video, go get the bundle, then come back and check out all the awesome products. Let me just tell you that bundle will sell out, and it is even a better discount than the flash sale price. It's amazing, okay? Moving on. Then we have all of these awesome sayings for our sweater. So for example, sending warm wishes wrapped in a cozy sweater. May your holidays be as colorful as your favorite sweaters. Wishing you a winter filled with laughter, love, and fantastic sweaters. Embrace the sweater vibes and enjoy a festive Christmas. Cheers to a cozy and stylish Christmas. Get ready to rock that ugly sweater like a boss. And sending you warm wishes and sweater snuggles this holiday season. Perfect. Perfect for the inside and the outside of your cards, right? Then I had the sweater and I had all these options for my sweater, but then I'm like, you know what? I really want a scarf and I really want a vest, right? So here, and a hanger. So here we go. We have this awesome vest, we have this fun, yummy sweater, and we have a hanger, and we have yikes. May all your sweaters be ugly and bright. Don't be tacky. The next one is, let's get ugly. This is my ugly sweater. My mom made me wear it. And may your sweater bring you smiles and giggles. I love it. I love it, you guys. It's so cute. Okay. Also, of course, you know the deal. Yes, there are dies that match. That hanger one alone is worth everything. Let me just tell you, the hanger is so much fun. Now, a background die. Ooh, let me just tell you. A sweater pattern, how appropriate, right? A sweater pattern for our sweaters and our vest and our scarf and our winter cap. Love it. And don't worry, I have lots of samples to share with you. The best thing about this is the die, the outside die is included on, it's one big die, so you don't have to try to line up those two dies. So it's just boom, there it is, which is so handy. Last but not least, this one is going to sell out ASAP. I know it. Our Christmas tree version sold out, boom, gone. Dun, 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 dun. It is a house gatefold. And when I say it's a house gatefold, check this out. Look at this. Ready? Home. Open it up. Sweet home. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how beautiful that is. Now, it can be a home, or you can make it look more like a gingerbread house. Look at how fun this is. Open that up. Home sweet home with a gingerbread house. Now, let me just show you all the dies that come in here. Not only are you getting the die base, you're going to cut out two, remember? The die base, you're getting a stitch die for the roof, you're getting a chimney, you're getting two topiary plants, you're getting a window, you're getting a shadow window, you're getting extra little tiles, you're getting a home sweet home, you are getting, welcome home and sweet. So you could say home sweet home, or welcome home, or sweet home, or sweet welcome. You're also getting the door. You are getting all of the layering dies as well. Handy dandy. And look at the cute little topiaries. Aren't they adorable? Aren't they adorable? I love them. I love them. Okay, look at how many samples I have, you guys. Can you believe this? The design team only has to do X amount, but half the time when they fall in love, they do way more than they need to, just because they love it so much. So here we go. Look at that. Look at the fun little Christmas lights added there. Look at that fun little collar on the sweater. And that snowflake back there for the background, yeah, you're getting that in one of the add-on sets. Isn't that awesome? Look at how cute this cute little guy is. This is one of our elf peeps with that sweater background. Isn't that gorgeous? Tone on tone, meaning the same color, just looks so awesome because it just adds a little definition. I love it. Or you could do different colors. Look at that background. Isn't that beautiful, right? Now let's look at another one. Oh, here's another. Let's look at this one. So here it is in purple with an Easter vest. Look at that. It doesn't have, you could use the little peeps. You can add on so many cute little things. That is the HSN Easter stamps and the Easter statement stamps and the Rabbit Lamb Mini Pudgy. Aren't they adorable? Now, here we go. Here we go. Here's a flip it. Ready? Oh, look at that scarf, you guys. I love that scarf. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. I love it. I love it. This is the diamond flip it, the diamond extras flip it, I think it is. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Another background die. Love it. But here's another one. It doesn't have to have anything to do with winter if you don't want to. Happy birthday right here. Boom. Don't you love it? I know. You guys, can you tell how excited I am? I'm just like dying. I'm like looking at these samples over and over, just going, oh my goodness, I'm copying that one. I'm copying that one. I'm copying that one. Look at how cute this is with our polar bear, sitting polar bear with all these cute little guys all in these sets. Aren't those fun? I love they're like little icons, so you can use them everywhere if you want to. Not only to decorate the sweater, but just on their own as well. I absolutely love that. Look how cute that is with the snowflake in the background. Yes, you are, by the way, I know this is going to be a big question, so I'm going to show it to you right now. Yes, you are getting that snowflake not only as a stamp in the stamp set, but as a die and the shadow die as well. So you are going to have fun just with that snowflake. Look at how gorgeous this one is. Look at the fun scarf, the cute little cap, the fun little vest with that little hanger. Love it. Background of the sweater, but also our window background die. Absolutely love that. Open that up. So cute with our dotted rectangle. Let's move on. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, you can barely see it, but it looks stunning in person. It's the little cap. It's the little snow cap or the beanie. It looks so cute, but it's all in white, so it looks beautifully elegant. Let me tell you. Look at how cute this one is. Let's get ugly. I absolutely love it. Fun little snowflake in the back. So simple, but stunning, right? Now, of course, we expect you to copy these ideas. All of these ideas are on our website in our online gallery. You just go check it out. You can print these ideas. You can favorite these ideas. You can save them for later. They are awesome and they're there for inspiration. You don't have to copy them, but you can if you want to. Totally allowed. Look at this on a step card. Isn't that fun? Oh dear. And it has that cute little reindeer. Love it. Now, I'm going to tell you a little sneak peek. I hope you love this reindeer head. That's all I'm going to say. I hope you like this reindeer head. Just saying. Just saying. Not for today, but just saying. Cute little ornaments hanging on that sweater. Love it. Is this jolly enough? I told you guys I had a lot. Okay, now remember the puppy love dies. Remember, we've had that. Most of you already have this one. Go dig it out. Go get it. You know you have it. Look at how cute. Our cap and our scarf fit him perfectly, and now he is an ornament or a tag. Isn't that cute? Open him up. My mom made me wear it. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Also, look at this. Look at this Steffi doll number 3 wearing and rocking that sweater and that cute little cap. You guys, they all coordinate. My goal is for you to grab this little guy, grab that Steffi doll number 3 and use them again because now these items coordinate with it, right? Always wanting you to use the old things you already have with the new things you're going to get. Look at how adorable she is. Here's a cute purple sweater because you know I love my purple. Oh, how so cute. Now, oh, look at this one though. Red and green. Red and green. Don't you love it? Okay. Oh, okay. I'm saving that one for last. Look at this one. Cheryl made this one with all that 3D ink. Ugly sweater party. You know you want to have an ugly sweater party, but we're not calling the stamp set ugly. It's crazy. Let's see. Here's a fun one. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Look at the cute little ornaments and the tree hanging down. It's sweater season. This background stamp is one of the callers. Isn't that awesome? Such a great idea. Now, let's look at some houses. Let's go house shopping, right? Look at how cute this is. Now, open that up. Now, this one, you don't have to use it as the regular fold, like the regular fold. This is the normal fold, ready? Or it opens like this. Or you can just have it be a regular gatefold and open like this. Lots of options. You always want to have those options, right? Look at how fun. They stand perfectly. Gorgeous. Look at that. Open that up. Home sweet home with the sweater in the background. You guys, I told you, I have tons. I know. Now, if I'm going too fast on any of these, don't worry. They're all in our online gallery. You can go print them. You can go like them. You can go favorite them. Ready? Oh, these little doors open. Congrats. The two of you make the perfect couple. Oh, pull. This says pull. Oh, what are we going to do? What are we going to do here? We're pulling this. Gift card. Hitting gift card. Michelle made this one. We did this. I showed this how to do this on our last tree gatefold. So go check that out. Open it up. Home sweet home. Imagine somebody getting a home for the first time and you giving them a gift card as a housewarming gift. How amazing would that be, right? Here's another fun, cute home. Ready? Open this up. I love that door. See how the door stays on just one side? Welcome home. I love it. Now, last but not least, favorite, ding, ding, ding. Here we go. Yvette made this one. The coloring on here blows my mind. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. And the masking, so she's layering on top of those. But that sweater is rocking my world. Now, whoa, right? Whoa. If you're a club member, you get these at club discount. 15 to 20% off every single day. The first 24 hours they're on our website, you get the flash sale price also. So you're getting the flash sale price, then your club discount, and this is the price you're paying, right? Now, if you get the bundle, you save an extra 5%. So it's like probably getting a die for free in there somewhere, right? Because we have the regular everyday low price, then the flash sale price, then the bundle price, then you pay the club member price. Boom, 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 boom. Look at all those discounts. It's amazing, right? You know, why? Why do we do this? Well, luckily, we're a very, very small company, 3.5 employees, right? So we don't have this big, huge, massive 2-story warehouse that we have to worry about. We keep it lean and mean. Everybody at my company does almost everything, right? We all have different hats that we wear. We make an amazing team, and we're able to bring you these at rock bottom prices. Especially with the bundle, you guys, I am telling you. Now, why do I do it like this? Because you know what? I designed the company to be a club where I would join, right? If I'm willing to join, that means other people might want to join. I'm all about saving money. I'm not all about spending the most expensive amount for one die set, right? I want value, but also quality. And that's what you have at the Stamps of Life. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.